I didn't come here to tell you how this is going to end. I came here to tell you how it's going to begin. I'm going to hang up this phone, and then I'm going to show these people what you don't want them to see. I'm going to show them a world without you. A world without rules and controls, without borders or boundaries. A world where anything is possible.
Hey guys, welcome back. James here from Hack-Athon again, and today we are going ahead and commencing with the third installment of the CEH give out. One small difference is that this would be going out only for my subscribers, so I would be going ahead and encrypting the links, and you would have to get in touch with me through my social network links, social media channels to get the decryption key. So I would be going ahead and giving out module 6, that's system hacking, module 7, that's malware analysis, and module 8, that's sniffing. And I would be going ahead and throwing in an extra module, that's web hacking 101 for penetration testers and bug bounty hunters. So that's a very sweet deal if you ask me. So get in touch with me, subscribe to my channel, and claim the decryption key, download, study well, pass your exams, and earn money. Once again, this was James here. Have a good day, evening, or night, wherever you are. Bye bye now. Take care.